Alright guys, welcome back. We have another question from the third chapter of Dynamics by Meriam, and we have this worker that develops a tension T in the cable as he attempts to move the 50 kilogram cart up the 20 degrees incline. We need to determine the resultant acceleration of the cart in two different conditions. First, the tension in the cable is 150 Newton, and the second condition, the tension is 200 Newtons. We have a note at the end of the question where we can neglect all friction except that the friction that we have at the worker's feet. And yeah, obviously we are not in equilibrium anymore because we have the tension and the worker that is trying to pull this cart. So as always, we're going to start with the free body diagram. Can start with the free body diagram of the cart where we have we can just do a cut in here. So we're going to be dealing with the tension of the cable, which is T. We have the normal force that is applying. We can just consider one normal force from all the four wheels in this direction, and this is going to be the representative force of all of them. So one normal force, and we have obviously the weight, which is mass times acceleration of gravity. We know mass is 50 kilograms, so times 9.81, that's going to be Newton, and that's the weight that we have. And these are pretty much all the forces that we have, and we can just define our x and y in this. Maybe this is our x, and we can consider this one our y. And obviously there is no movement along y direction, so if we start with the sum of all forces in x, now we're gonna have a mass times acceleration in x direction, and for the y we have the same story, mass times ay. As I mentioned, it's going to be 0, so this will be equal to 0. All right, we're going to start with the forces along x direction first. So let's just go here. Let's see what we have. So we have the x component of the tension, which will be this force. Is going to be t cosine of 15 degrees, and we have the y component of the weight, the x component of the weight, which is negative, and this angle would be the angle of the slope, which is 20 degrees. So yeah, it's the opposite side of that, so it's going to be negative weight, which is 50 times 9.81 times sine of 20 degrees is going to be equal to mass, which is 50 kilogram. We have it in the question, times ax, and that's how we're going to find the acceleration. And we have two different conditions. The first one, t is 150, and the second one is 200. So 150 Newton for the A part, and for the B part, the tension would be 200 Newtons. All right, the rest of this, you just have to plug in the numbers. So ax will be, so we're gonna have this ratio of 150 cosine of 15 minus 50 times 9.81 times sine of 20, and in the denominator we're just gonna have 50, which is the mass. So yeah, we're gonna get a negative value for the A part, so negative 0.457 meter per second squared, and negative sign shows that it's going to go down the incline, so the box is going to move in this direction. And for the B part, everything's the same. We just have 200 instead of 150, which is the tension in the cable, and that's going to give us the AX positive 0.508 meter per second squared. And yeah, because the acceleration is positive now, it's going to go up the incline, and this is going to be the direction. And yeah, it's going to be final answer for this question. Everything was clear. Let me know if you guys have any questions. You guys take care. I'll see you in the next video.